Today it's an unboxing and try on of the Eyescream Beauty subscription box for the month of March. I'm quite excited about this Saints, Angels, and Sinners palette. This is the Yummy palette, made with love for Eyescream Beauty exclusively. We're going to do a try on and see how everything performed. Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Let's get right into it. This is the Eyescream Beauty Box for the month of March. So let's start off in the order in which I put the products on. We're going to start with this Makeup Base Eyeshadow Primer by Bella Pierre. This retails for $19. This eyeshadow primer will take your eyeshadow game to the next level. Get even more pigment from the eyeshadow you use over this eyeshadow base and make it last longer. It also can transform some shimmery loose powders from shimmery to matte when mixed together. Well, that's interesting. This is a very creamy formula, easily applied with the brush. I'm sure that it would be easily applied with your fingers as well. It did really well and the eyeshadow performed fine over top of it. I don't think $19 is terribly bad. You get right much product here, and I'm going to continue to use it. I will probably put this in my Shop My Stash for April so that I can keep playing with it, and I'll let y'all know. Next we have this Bow Down Brow Gel by Quimica Studios, and it retails for $16. It comes in this little tube. It has a nice brush. Easy to use, non-sticky, flake resistant, super long lasting, transparent formula, stays in place for 16 plus hours and has a natural finish that works on any brow color. Armed with a baby spoolie applicator, Bow Down Brow Glue lets you sweep and shape your eyebrows to perfection. The name is not easy to say, but it definitely has my brows in place. It worked really well, and I love to use a brow gel to hold my brows in place because for some reason I touch my face a lot and sometimes they'll get a little wonky if I don't glue those suckers down. So yeah, I like it. Saints, Angels, and Sinners made this palette exclusively for the Eyescream Beauty Box. Holy moly, look how pretty that is. That's what I have on my eyes. When I first looked at this palette, I was like, I cannot do a complete look with that palette, but I did, and it is absolutely beautiful. The shades went on so well. They performed really nice. This is my first time using this brand. I do not know if they're going to offer this to the general public, but it says it's retailed for $48. And the card says, this is our first ever collab palette with our friends at Saints, Angels, Sinners. The palette contains 4 multi-chromes. It also contains 4 beautiful, highly pigmented shimmer shades and 4 matte shades that are buildable, but are mainly designed for easy blending. This is an Eyescream Beauty exclusive. And as you can see, they did blend out beautifully on my eyes. I did have a little bit of patchiness, but my eyes were just a little bit swollen right in these areas. You can see here where I'm showing you where it looks just a little patchy, but that totally is my skin because when my eyes are a little puffy, sometimes the eyeshadow does not want to adhere to it. All in all, though, I'm very impressed with it. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette, and now that I have tried it, I am looking forward to trying some more of their products. Next up, let's talk about these lips. This is the Watermelon Scented Matte Lipstick Set by Ensly Beauty, and it retails for $28. You can see the swatches. There are some beautiful colors in here. There are some colors in here that are not necessarily colors that I would wear. The card says that it is a matte lipstick, and the packaging says it is a matte lip gloss. So I don't know which is which, but it is super sticky. It was not really hard to apply. You have to kind of get used to applying liquid lipstick to get it on there correctly, and of course I didn't have a liner to try with it. But you can see how it's already coming apart, and it's sticking together, and it's just, yeah, I don't like it. You can see it's still sticky. I'm not a fan. However, I'm going to try it again because maybe it was the way I applied it. Look at how patchy that is. Yeah, I'm not a fan. So there you go. Those are all the products in my March Eyescream Beauty Box, and I am super excited about the palette. I like the other products, not a fan of the lipstick. We'll keep trying that to see what happens, but super excited about this. I think this look turned out amazing. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.